Have you ever seen a crane lifting a heavy load and wondered how it's done safely? The answer is the lifting plan. In this audio, you'll learn what a lifting plan is, why it's important, and what to focus on during lifting operations. A lifting plan is a document that outlines how a load will be lifted using a crane or other lifting equipment. It ensures the right equipment, personnel, and procedures are in place before the lift begins. Lifting plans are required on most work sites to prevent accidents and ensure compliance with safety regulations. Key sections of a lifting plan include crane and equipment details such as crane model, boom length, and rated capacity. Load information, including the weight, dimensions, and center of gravity of the load. Rigging details, such as slings, shackles, spreader bars, and their working load limits. Ground conditions, including soil type, slope, and required ground support. Personnel roles like crane operator, rigger, signalman, and lift supervisor. Risk assessment, identifying hazards and listing control measures. Once the plan is approved, the team prepares for the actual lift. During this phase, key focus areas include communication between the crane operator and signalman must be clear and constant. Weather must be monitored, especially wind speed. If it exceeds limits, the lift must be stopped. Watch the load for swinging or instability. If the load becomes unstable, pause the lift and correct it. Monitor boom angle and radius. As the radius increases, crane capacity decreases. Stay within the limits shown in the load chart. Ensure no personnel are under the load. Barricade the area if necessary. Common mistakes during lifting include using the wrong load chart, not updating lifting plans for specific jobs, estimating load weight without verification, ignoring ground preparation, not assigning clear roles and responsibilities. To prevent these issues, always verify details, inspect the lift zone, and brief your team. In summary, prepare the lifting plan carefully, follow it closely, and monitor conditions during the lift. Doing this reduces risk and improves site safety. Download a lifting plan template from the link provided. Stay safe.